One more space-related story. Here is the Demon asteroid, the size of the Eiffel Tower. It's going to zoom past Earth on Friday. You like that one, Will? It's in the shape of a peanut, the size of an Eiffel Tower. It doesn't care about you.
Oh.
It's not gonna hit us. Don't worry. You're not dying on Friday. You didn't seem very concerned. You didn't seem very concerned. But there are giant slabs up there floating around, tumbling,
spinning. Is there
spinning.
a name for this?
Yeah,
asteroid?
Demon. Yeah, Demon.
Demon? That's the name?
The actual name is Apophis, but the translation for Apophis is
demon.
Well, Apophis was an ancient Egyptian demon.
Oh.
It was first spotted in 2004. It will not pose a danger to Earth during this week's flyby. However, they're treating it as a trial run because it will come a lot closer in 2029.
Oh,
it's just
that's close.
Floating around, spinning around, waiting for the right time. So as far as this week is concerned, it will travel past the planet at more than 40 times the distance from the Earth to the moon. But scientists are using this week as a dress rehearsal for the asteroid's next pass, April 13th, 2029. Apophis will get as close to Earth as some of the highest orbit satellites. So it'll be at satellite level. Wow. And at that point, when it's that close, then it's possible that the gravitational forces of Earth may alter its course ever so slightly. So come talk to me in 2029. Well, you'll probably be all right still. But it's all over at some point. So.
Oh, yeah.